friends, the three very important things for puppy's birth is clamp the puppy cord, the scissor to cut the tie as well as the cord, and the aspirator to suction out the oral secretions from puppy's mouth.
I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. You pull me out of deepest water so I can breathe again. I dive into your love so I could feel my breath again. Whenever you will call my name, I will run to you. You give me strength to carry on. Pull me into you. You give my life again. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love could make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. Fill my heart like you do. When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can. Surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. And there's no more fears left in me. I can see you light my way, and you're always near. There's nowhere I could be. All I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you.
Friends, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ಸೂಸಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 Puppies ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ Suzi. Congratulations to my baby. Yeah, baby. Say congratulations. ತುಂಬ ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಸುಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾಗಿ ಸುಸಿ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. Suzi delivered 8 puppies. Her delivery went on safely. I had no trouble. She managed everything. Only I had to tie the cord and just clean them, dry them. Otherwise, Suzi cleaned them very well. All your blessings, your support is my biggest strength. And I'm so thankful to all my subscribers, to all my viewers. I'm so grateful to you. Friends, since I was alone at home and I had no help, I couldn't take a clear and continuous video throughout Suzi's delivery. I'm so sorry for that. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ 4-4ನದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Friends, Suzi and her babies are relaxing now. Suzi delivered her first baby at 10 a.m. in the morning and now it's 4 p.m. So friends, Suzi had started having mild uterine contractions since yesterday night only. So she did not eat her dinner yesterday. And now I gave her a good bath to lower half of the body with the warm water, cleaned her nicely and changed her beddings and made her relaxed, gave her nice food meal also. And I'm also very tired because since yesterday night I did not sleep because she was trying to dig here and there, making some noise. I'm going to take shower, eat my food and sleep for some time. I thank all my YouTube family, my YouTube friends for your good wishes, for your support, for your prayers. Thank you so much. Guys, see you in next video. Till then, everyone stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.